Emma here at the Dana stand at Truck Show. We've got a 10 by 10 metre space with some awesome LED strip lighting chasing through the floor, a nice big screen and 4 metre high walls. We've gone for a really nice modern look which gives it a clean finish and it really makes the products pop.
Hi, I'm Brad Woolstenholme and you're at the Dana stand at the Brisbane Truck Show. And so the opportunity for us really is to showcase what we can to a specific group of people who are very interested in transport. And without these sort of events, it gets lost. There's a lot of things happening in the world, and without a concentrated event like this, you just don't get the opportunity to get it showcased. Grandstand events are obviously part of what we do, and they put this together, and it is seamless and very, very good for us, on time and really accurate. We're really, really happy, and the stand itself has worked out extremely well.